What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're down at AS Motors in Bladen. We're down here with the mad Ford engineer himself, Andy Simpson, and we're going to be doing some work on his Mark IV Escort RS Turbo van, but it's not just an RS Turbo. So before we start, Andy, give a bit of a spec on the van.
Well, this van I built in 2016, has a Mondeo 2-litre bottom end. It's a ZVH, it runs an MFI head with AFI manifold with conversion plate. It has...
That's off the Fiesta, isn't it?
That's off the Fiesta I with AFI. It runs level 6 Cosworth Management with wasted spark, fitted by my friend Nick here.
I did that.
Yeah. It's got an RS Turbo gearbox with LSD diff in it, with a GT30 turbo stop at the front of it. Pretty awesome.
It's class. It's wicked now, it's proper rapid. So it's an awesome spec, and all in a van. Saying this, with these little mad windows, you could actually consider this to be in state, couldn't you?
No. I'm having problems with my clutch. I'm using stage 2 ones from eBay, knee good, 1,000 miles max. So, purchased a helix paddle clutch, 4 paddle clutch, new release bearing, tiny valve.
And there's a truck goes by.
But yesterday, when we're getting a few shots of the car, I did pop a core plug out the side of the head.
Is that so much when popping it?
What a pump. You mate? That's a core plug, man.
Is it?
It's a core plug, aye.
You done a core plug in?
Core plug,
first job I ever done on a mini, a core plug.
So that little blast is just done a core plug in. Suppose we best take the engine out, eh?
Do that tomorrow.
Here we are. Hey! So, job of the day, get the engine out of the van, change the clutch, fix everything else, and hopefully get it back, because it's absolutely mint. And then we might even be able to turn the boost up, won't we?
Yeah! Something like that.
Just to lower the compression.
Lower the compression, aye.
But still got standard rods, so it's a standard Zetec bottom end.
Standard Zetec bottom end shells, ERP bolts, but we'll not be a head gasket.
So everyone on the Ford scene just loves to live dangerously, don't they?
Oh. Start off with the Arnie put 5 PSI in, and then another 10, like you put it in after the 5.
It's just an absolute mongrel, really, isn't it? It's like parts that you had lying around.
What happens is someone goes to what's under the bonnet. 25 minutes later, they're like, "Oh, you lost us."
That's it. It's gone.
To me, it all fits.
Oh, I can maybe break out the head again, can't I?
You don't need them.
Oh, you're happy now? Oh, that's it. Everyone likes the camera after a while, you know.
Whoa, Spencer! Setting up the plastic thing.
What digging at you?
Loves chocolate celebrations. He eat celebrations with the rattlers and everything still on. The little rattlers come in his poopy.
He poos little wrapped parcels.
He's eaten tinfoil before as well. He's had shiny.
When's the Mark IV video coming in, Spence?
The
part 3, you know.
part 3 is a surprise.
The unplanned, but let's face it, it's probably going to have to be planned.
Yeah, unplanned but planned, part 3, very planned now.
Right, okay.
Where we'll see some serious boost.
plug's rotted from the inside out. I bet you any money.
It's rotted from the inside out.
Aye,
Alley heads, aren't they?
Alley head, steel core plug.
There's a bit of corrosion between them. Maybe.
Probably the head's probably been run on the car with the antifreeze for a long time.
Aye.
You see, now I was under the impression all this time that I've had a water pump leak because I took it for MOT. I left it running on the ramp.
Aye.
And that's when the water leak started from this side.
It's probably been that core plug the whole time.
Core plug the whole time, I think. I'm still going to do the water pump there.
It's a bit mad how it just went there though, like just yesterday as well though.
Where's that core plug there was just fucking jetting water out at the bottom, and I'm sure in there I can see the hole.
I think you can just see it. I'll put a little thing on the screen. Obviously you made the face sensor as well, which is normally in the distributor on the YB along.
On the YB, yeah. That normally, well, it does sits like over there, like that, you know, with the rubber run, so it looks nice and tickety boo. Which took us ages to fucking get that right.
Right, what's the plan of attack then? What we're hitting?
Let's get the gearbox off.
Bush. There's definitely been some slippage there.
No.
There's no grooves or anything though. Probably just needs a bit of wet and dry, so that, you know.
It's lightened that now. It's got a massive chunk in the back of that.
Oh, it's light and dye.
Don't do anything to that one.
That's it, look at him working that box.
There'll be a face box off thing on, I'll tell you.
I hope you're not easily offended, will he? I'm getting a specialist alignment tool out, I just the old extension bar.
Yeah, I've got them on the end of my wrist. Fucking fingers.
The clutch alignment fingers. Which finger sits inside the spigot then? Which finger size is that?
Probably the middle one on it.
We can tell that, we can tell. And that's the box looking nice now. That's actually the original diesel box that came in the van, because the van was originally a diesel, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Aye, but it's got a Series 2 RS Turbo diff in it.
Definite, yeah.
Aye, so you can put the power down. Oh, it's time for cream cakes.
Just to let you know, lads, I don't have a scrub and never know that Nice light, isn't it? You take that stick off or no?
No, that's 10 brake off.
I know.
10 brake horsepower in that sticker.
The clutch gets balanced with all the stickers on, so you can't.
No,
change it.
it would be unbalanced.
That might come off and just obliterate the whole.
Just explode.
Aye.
A grenade sticker.
Pretty much.
Sticker, that's a grenade. Oh my god. I don't believe it.
From this view, the turbo looks bigger than the clutch, doesn't it?
Let's hope that clutch can handle it.
Oh, that'll hold that, you know. That'll be like. It'll take something like 400 or 500 foot-pounds that clutch, you know.
It'll not be as fast as...
Synchronised gearbox fitting here. I'll hold the engine, right?
You hold the end. What do you want?
Me.
How many people does it take to fit a gearbox?
Well, it only takes one, Michael, though. Very professional.
Very professional.
Because I know that Mark Bay's at TDC anyway, because I did all that with the DDI when I first built the engine, so I know that. But the pulley with the duct block being taller is half a 2000, so that pulley's moved, and I've drilled the pulley instead of having a woodruff key.
Alright, pinned it.
Just marked that, and I can't really get around because I set it up beforehand, so I can't take that pulley off there, it's kind of fixed, so I'm going to remove the whole cam. Squash the lifters.
Alright, because the core plug is right back there. So the job now is to get to the core plug, but because the cam pulley is pinned, it'll be far easier to take the cam out, which means the rocker's got to come off, which means the lifters and everything have to come out.
But it's a mere nothing.
All in a day's work.
Oh, it's awesome.
It's Michael again.
Michael, it's always him. Trying to talk on camera. You know what that's not? That's not very professional.
Very professional.
Right, stop the job. Because it's a Saturday, we can't get a replacement core plug for the head. So we've got that rotten one out, and we need to get a replacement one, which will probably take a day or two to get. So we'll pick this up in a couple of days' time, but obviously it'll be only a second on the video, so we'll see you then. In all honesty, it's actually been a little bit longer than a couple of days. It's actually been a couple of weeks because we're very busy boys, but we've done loads on the engine, so let's have a look. So the leaking core plug's been replaced with a stainless steel plug there. All new timing belt kit, tensioner, all the rest of it, so the engine's good to go. There's a new idle control valve went on. And it's even had a big brake kit off an ST170, so now it'll actually stop. It goes very well, this car, but it's always had a little bit of a problem with the brakes, so hopefully doing all this work now will also fix that. So today, all we need to do is get this engine back in the van.
Escort Cosworth one.
Ah, yeah.
It starts, it's the red Escort and the black Sierra.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Aye.
Fucking music on
I
that.
want to have a look. So build diaries, and it's the music. And how does it go?
Drink out the cups down here.
And the coronavirus isn't strong enough to get past what we've got.
Abs of steel.
Took you 10 seconds to get up there, man.
I was trying to make you half out.
That's it. I nearly had your face clean up. Like a cat.
Should be a boxer. Yeah, fucker. Fucking Tyson Fury has got a look.
Jesus Christ. So just finalising the ST170 big brake kit. They look huge then, they look like dinner plates, don't they?
Massive, aren't they?
Aye.
Fucking butts. What they're gonna be.
So they're the original RS Turbo hubs with what, a 12mm spacer?
12mm space that to put the pad carrier on.
Yeah.
I drilled the threads out to 12.5 and put the studs in so I can put some different wheels on.
Yeah.
Some diamond cut wheels.
Cool.
7 spokes.
But you're putting 16s on now because these are big boys. They look huge in there and they are actually doing
I
it.
don't know if the 15s will go over that calibre.
Oh,
So 16s is the way forward.
well, we shall find out, won't
Aye. Looks like the stops better already.
we? It does, doesn't it? Even the backs look huge. Oh, look at that. It's close. Aye. Can be close just means good. So you do all this work to the engine, you put it together with a military precision, but it means nothing, absolutely nothing, if you don't have a fresh rotor cover.
Don't buy buzzer. Buzzer?
No, he's been shy.
Gone. We've lost him.
Rotor cover by bars.
Ching!
Oh, it's a bit cleaner than what it was, eh?
Looks a bit cleaner.
Perfect expertise.
Michael, what would you say? What would you say?
Michael, it's clean.
It's cleaner, yeah. That's about it though.
Yeah, not professional.
It's not professional.
Very professional.
Right, that's the... oh, bollocks. That is, I did turn around it. Right, that's the engine in, oil in, coolant in, batteries connected. Let's get this puppy fired up. Oh, we're there. Fuel leak. Fuel feed.
I know what that needs.
Needs nipped up.
That's what that needs.
I hope it's clean now.
Whee! Let's hope that paint's hard wearing it.
Ready?
Yeah.
You think I've been started before, didn't you?
Captain, you got the...
Fire brakes.
Engine sounds lush.
It's fucking awesome, isn't
You look huge in this. You're fucking nasal to your chest and that.
Can we see when you're going back for some reason? Is it all the way back? Oh, it is. It's all the way back. It looks like it is, when you look at how far the wheels stick out. Oh, I just need a little bit of a fine tune
So that's the van back together. Obviously, we're getting a little bit of rubbing on the rear arches. That's just because we went from a 15 to a 16-inch wheel, but we'll sort that out. We'll get them rolled and cut and all the rest of it. But the good thing is that the engine, the gearbox, the clutch, all the little bits that we need to look at is running absolutely sweet. And I bet you the video just doesn't even do this van justice. It's absolutely class. I love it. I hope you do too. So let us know in the comments if you like this video. Thanks very much for watching. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.